All right, guys, happy Earth Day. All right, so we have started something a little bit different. Hopefully it's going to work well for, oh, I forgot to put my Earth Day hat on. Okay, ready for us to go on a safari or I don't know where we need to go. Outside and take pictures of you and your pets. That's what you need to do. I'll be going out and taking some pictures of Digby and myself here in a few minutes. But go outside and take pictures. All right, so here's what's going to happen. You're going to open this in Classroom like normal, but you're going to see a place on the bottom for you to advance to the next slide, and you're going to see what looks like a little pair called Pear Deck. Excuse me, it's a new app that we're trying out, and so about the time Miss Malloy gets feeling comfortable with what we're doing, they introduce us to some new stuff that's really cool, that does a lot of cool things, but it takes me a little bit longer to get it figured out. So about the time I feel like I'm really getting a little techie, then they kind of go over my head again. So anyway, but watch for the bottom to show where to to advance the slide, and across here, if there's a place for a little pair on there, it may tell you to click there to answer. It just may look different. Okay, so if you start to panic, don't. I'll be online all day tomorrow, just like I am every day. Okay, so message me, email me, text me. I don't care. I'm around. Okay, I can help you. All right, so we're going to go through like normal. We have our pledge, we have our phonics, we have this part, our Greek roots. You get to make a choice. Choose this one where you're going to read these sentences on the flip grid. Write a sentence of your own. Don't copy one of these, write your own, and then read it with these on a flip grid. Or take the challenge, and there's a document under here. Open that document, read it on Flipgrid. Okay, so choose one of those. Earth Day, got a video. Okay, and then a place to write your response right here. Okay. Then we have Gaia, who is our last Greek myth, okay, and this is their creation, how everything got created. This is their myth, their story about that, okay? And then there's the written story. And then look, is this a creation or morality myth? Answer that question. All right, you're going to summarize. Okay, then you have 4 questions. Reflect on today's activities. What'd you like? Did you not like? Now, it says draw. You're not going to draw. You're going to click on, when you get to this slide, there'll be a T for text. Click on that. It's like a text box, and then you'll be able to type your answer. Okay? Now, this is technically where the end is. I added a slide when you get to this part, because when you come to the end of, once we're on the Pear Deck, it will not show you a turn in. So you will have to, once you finish that, you'll get to this slide, you'll click back up on your tabs to Classroom. Okay, when you get back into Classroom, then you can turn your assignment in. Okay, so that's what's going to be different. I think you're going to like it. I spent a whole hour or something, hour plus, in a Zoom meeting teaching me how to work on these. So I will get better, I promise, and hopefully it won't be too confusing for you tomorrow. All right, I love you guys. Send me pictures. You can wear your Earthy Day hats and your green shirts and your pets. Be outside and take pictures, and we'll get that slideshow going. Okay? All right, I love you guys. Bye.